Welcome to igboticnono, English to Igbo translation that you may not know. First of all, a brief introduction to Igbo culture for you to really understand what I'm trying to say. Igbo is a language spoken in southeastern part of Nigeria. The Igbos have a population of over 50 million people. They are predominantly farmers, fishermen, hunters, carpenters, but the modern day Igbo man is versatile in all sectors of life. They have yearly festival ranging from Iwaji Festival or Fala Festival. All the celebration plays a fundamental role in bringing about unity amongst the people. There are numerous delicacies from southern eastern part of Nigeria that makes every visitor of foreigners live the culture, love the culture, and due to the influx of English in our generation, we tend to forget most words from our native tongue. Every tribe is guilty of this though. And these are some translations you never knew about. Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. Now is the second video I'm doing for today. You see guys, you see the way I'm productive. Please, if you're new to this channel, please kindly do me a favor by subscribing and also giving this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. And even if you don't enjoy it, please still try to thumbs up because oh girl, put up a hard work here. Okay guys, please in today's video we're going to be talking about some funny Igbo names. Yes, some funny Igbo names, and when you hear the meaning you will laugh out loud wherever you are. It's so funny. I've done quite a number of videos, some names in Igbo and their meaning. I've also done the video some deep-rooted Igbo names, and today is funny Igbo names. I'm going to say it in English and I'm also going to translate what it means in Igbo for you, vice versa. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. The one here is Ezono. Ezono in English is king of mouth. In fact, if you gossip, this is the name that fits you. If you like talking against people, you're supposed to be named Ezono, because yes, this name is basically mainly for a male child. We have male people that also talk like men, like male gossipers are worse than female gossipers. I don't know if you know about it. They should be given this name, Ezono, king of mouth, king of talk, king of mouth, Ezono. Here we have Amuneke. Amuneke. I don't know. I think there's one of football players then that used to answer Amuneke, I think. But what it means actually here is penis is sharing. So this name is actually risky to name anybody this name, because I don't know what you're trying to wish the person. Whether the person should turn to a prostitute and keep sleeping from one person to another, because the translation is just hell. Penis sharing. Penis sharing. That's keep sharing penis. Another one here is Okenwa. Okenwa, rat child. Okenwa, rat child. Okenwa, rat child. Ike mefuna, my nyash no go lost. Ike mefuna, my nyash. No, your nyash no go lost. My nyash deal with me, I beg. I don't go lost my nyash, I beg. Ike mefuna. Anene, make we dey look. Anene, make we dey look. You dey look me, I dey look you. Anene, make we dey look. I don't know this. I don't know if you name your child this name after. I don't know if the child will turn to be looking at everybody that passes. And this name is also given to both male and female child. Anene, Anene. Let's keep looking. Ugwoke, mountain of rats. Ugwoke, mountain of rats. Ugwoke, mountain of rats. Mountain of rats. Ugwoke. Azubike, back is power. Azubike, back is power. Uzo ama, road is fine. Uzo ama, road is fine. This one is actually fine. Uzo ama, road is fine. Obum neke, na mi de share. Obum neke, na mi de share. Na mi de share the rice. Na mi de share the palliative. Obum neke palliative. Obum neke palliative. Na mi de share the palliative. That's the meaning of this name. Obum neke. Onye neke, who they share. Onye neke, who they share. Who they share the palliative. Onye neke, palliative. Onye neke, palliative. Who they share palliative. Onye neke, who they share. In Kiruka, the front is bigger. In Kiruka, the front is bigger. Basically, your breast, you know, your breast is more protruded. In Kiruka, in Kiruka, the front is bigger. Akede, akede, akede. There is palm kernel. Akede, there is palm kernel. Nne, nna, mama, papa. Nne is mama, papa is papa, father. Nne is mother. Nne, nna, mama, papa. Nna, nna, papa, papa. Nna is father, right? Nna, nna, papa, papa. Nlewedim, looking at my husband. Nlewedim, looking at my husband. Nlewedim, looking at my husband. Echidime, tomorrow is pregnant. Echidime, tomorrow is pregnant. Echidime, tomorrow is pregnant. Ogonna, father's fight. Ogonna, father's fight. Ogonna, father's fight. So guys, this actually brings me to the end of this video. I know you didn't want this video to end because it was fun. It was quite interesting for me to make. It was also very fun. I selected these names. I have most of them as well, but I didn't want this video to be very long. If you want to hear more of these names, these funny Igbo names, kindly hit me in the comment section and I'll bring them more to your doorstep. Okay, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? You've watched to this point and you're not subscribed. Why, sis? Bro, try to subscribe. Okay, join this sweet family. Of course, give me down in the comment section the videos you think you may want me to do. Okay, thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day. Bye.